what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and I'm back with another Stitch Fix unboxing. For those of you that don't know how Stitch Fix works, basically you pay $20 a month and a stylist picks out 5 items for you. They range from shoes, clothing, accessories, purses, all kinds of things, scarves, and they send them to you. They pick them out based off of a styling quiz that you took and your Pinterest and your Instagram, and you get to put in your price ranges. So if you like this and you want to try Stitch Fix without paying the styling fee, use my referral link down below. In your first box, you will not have to pay the $20. So if you do that, also please comment down below and let me know what you think of your first box. Without further ado, I'm going to unbox. So basically, whatever you like, you keep and you pay for. And whatever you don't like, you send back in a mailback bag that they send you, just like this one. So whatever I don't keep, I'll just put in this mailback bag and I'll just stick it in my mailbox and mail it back. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the front. That's your sneak peek. And that's my sneak peek. I see flowers right here, so that looks very bright. So I'm excited. Let's see. Be gone. Okay, the first thing that I see is very florally. It looks like this. It has a gray neckline. So I'm excited to see what it is. Oh. It's like a long sleeve top with like this floral section, and then it has like these gray sleeves and this gray collar, and then the bottom is also gray. I don't really find this very cute, honestly. Like, it's kind of weird to me, but it feels very comfortable, so I wonder if I'll change my mind when I try it on. This shirt is called the Willow Mixed Material Knit Top, and it's $46. I honestly don't know if I'll keep this shirt for $46. It just doesn't seem right up my alley, but I will let y'all know in just a second. Okay guys, so after trying this top on, I definitely will not be keeping it. It is very soft and comfy, however it is just not my style. If it was all gray, I would probably keep this shirt, but I do not like this part at all. I just feel like this looks tacky, like it goes from a sweatshirt to a nice blouse, and it just looks tacky, and I will not be keeping this shirt. I will be sending it back. Next, we have another shirt. It looks like right now it just looks striped, and oh, this looks a little bit more up my alley. Okay, it's this black and white striped shirt with this purple material on the front frocket. And then it has these buttons down the back, which I think is a very cute detail, especially when you don't have a jacket on. So this shirt does seem a little bit more my style. So this top is the Paper Moon Anicia 3/4 sleeve, and it's $48. I do feel like $48 is a little bit expensive for a shirt like that. But if I love it when I try it on, I will probably keep it. If I'm not absolutely in love, I will not pay that money for it. So after trying this shirt on, I do think it is very cute. Like, I do really like this shirt, but I do not love it enough to pay $42 for it. So I will be sending this shirt back also. If this shirt was like, this is like a $20 shirt to me. If I could go to Ross and get this shirt for $20, I would get it. However, I'm not going to pay $42 for this shirt. So I will be sending this shirt back as well. Next, it looks like we have a sweater. Okay, so it's like, guys, I think they listened to my sweaters that I didn't want any more short sweaters. This looks kind of like a dress length, like you could wear it with leggings. It's navy, it's knit. This looks up my alley right here, this sweater. This is the Madison Lily Rilla pullover, and it is $42. I do think that I will really like this, and if I do, I will probably be keeping this sweater. After trying on this navy sweater, I have decided that I will keep this sweater. It is the perfect length. You can just throw this on, throw on a pair of leggings and a pair of boots, and you look cute. And you're cozy yet thrown together, and that is my favorite thing. It's a nice length. Blue is totally a comfort color for me. I put on blue, I know I look fine, my skin doesn't look weird. We'll definitely be keeping this sweater. Next, we have what looks like another sweater. Let's see. Oh, it's another sweater like the one I have on, guys. For those of you that didn't watch my last Stitch Fix video, this sweater that I have on came out of that one, and I was very torn about keeping it, but once I tried it on, I couldn't not. So this looks a lot like the one I have on, but a different material. So it's like, it has like this turtleneck, and then it's just gray, but this one feels a lot more like sweatshirt material, but it feels nice and comfy. It doesn't have the thumb holes. It says that you can wear it off the shoulder. Oh, so this isn't a turtleneck, it's off the shoulder or cowl neck, which is where it's like folded over like how I have this one. So I can wear this off the shoulder, which I'm not a big fan. Off the shoulder sweaters don't make much sense to me, but this I find very cute. I think I would wear it like with this as like a neckline, like this, so you could just see more of my shoulder but not really off the shoulder. This is called the Febuary off the shoulder pullover, and it is $42. And I do think if I like the way this fits that I will be keeping it too. You can't go wrong with too many sweaters. Those things, they hang in your closet and you pull them back out again next year. So I'm all about the sweaters. This is the off-the-shoulder sweater that also says it could be worn like with the neck. So like this. I do actually really like this as an off-the-shoulder sweater. I know I said I don't understand off-the-shoulder sweaters, but I think that this could be really cute to throw on with a pair of jeans and look kind of dressed up and show off a little bit, but still be warm and not really be showing off a little bit. So I think that I will be keeping this sweater too. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this sweater, because I really thought I was gonna like it the other way, the cowl neck way, but I actually really like it off the shoulder like this. So let me know what you guys think. And last but not least, we have a pair of leggings. They know me so well. They were like, ooh, we sent her some sweaters. She's gonna wanna wear those with leggings. Let's send her some. So they did. They sent me just a basic black pair of leggings. They feel like a very good material though. I have another pair of Stitch Fix leggings and they are the best. I wear them all the time with everything. So I won't be surprised if I fall in love with these. These are the T4T Monica leggings and they are $38, and I have a feeling they're gonna fit amazingly. I'm gonna love them and I will be wearing them. Okay guys, so after trying on these leggings, I have 100% decided to keep these. I just shaved my legs, just so y'all know. And these leggings are the softest thing ever. They feel like a blanket. I feel like I have a blanket on my legs right now. So I will definitely be keeping these leggings. Just a little bit of a recap for y'all. I decided to keep the 2 sweaters and the leggings and the 2 long sleeve shirts. I'm gonna send back. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack them up in my mailbag bag. Also, don't forget that if you wanna try Stitch Fix and not pay the styling fee for your first box, if you use my referral link down below, you do not have to. You get to try it for free. And also don't forget to let me know what you think of your first Stitch Fix box. It really excites me, like when we have something we can talk about like that, like your clothes and my clothes and stuff. That's really fun. So just make sure you let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button. I post a Stitch Fix video every month, and I post other videos sporadically in between. Comment down below and let me know any videos that y'all would like to see. And that's all I got for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Bye guys!